Moving on to question 14. What is delta G? So the G stands for Gibbs free energy. So basically, this tells us the max amount of non-expansion work that can be extracted from a thermodynamically closed system. So when you have delta G, anytime you have delta, this means there's a change. So delta G is the change in Gibbs free energy. Okay, so there's a way that we can calculate delta G. So delta G is equal to delta H minus T times delta S. So delta H is the change in enthalpy. T is just temperature. And delta S is the change in entropy. Okay, so delta G can also tell us a lot of things about the reaction. So when you get a delta G value that is negative, this tells us that the reaction is spontaneous. When you get a delta G that is positive, this tells us the reaction is non-spontaneous. And finally, when delta G is equal to 0, that means the reaction is in equilibrium. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. Gibbs free energy is an expression of spontaneity of a reaction. Change in free energy is delta G. They have delta G is equal to delta H minus T times delta S. Okay, so they also have when delta G is negative, positive, and at equilibrium. So this solution is correct, but I'll also just add the actual definition of Gibbs free energy. Since, yeah, there's kind of more to it than just the spontaneity of the reaction. But I'll still say the solution is correct.